What's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. So for today's video, we'll be unboxing the MacBook Neo, which is the cheapest MacBook that Apple currently sells in the market. So here it is with its box, and it's the very typical Apple MacBook box. And this is the base configuration MacBook Neo with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. And this is with the color silver. And this is the one that is being advertised for $599 US. Since this is the base configuration one, it doesn't have the fingerprint scanner, unfortunately. I was able to purchase this on PowerMac before the price increase, which cost only around 40,000 pesos. But after the price increase, it is being sold around 48 to 50,000 pesos. So I was lucky that I was able to get that price, and shout out to the PowerMac store in SM Dasmariñas where I purchased it. So without any further ado, let's unbox it. Alright, here it is, the MacBook Neo still on the plastic wrapper. Let's check here the other things in the box first. So we have here the paper documentation about the Neo, and unfortunately there's no Apple stickers. Then we have here also its power brick, which is really small comparing to the M series MacBook. And I think this is the same brick that was used in iPads. Then of course the braided USB-C cable. So let's go back to the MacBook Neo, and they have now the iconic hello word on the pull tab of the wrapper in the Neo. And let's unwrap it now. Alright, so the first impression for this MacBook is it's quite light and small actually. And the build is still very premium, and it's still all metal build like any other MacBook. It still looks good and beautiful. On the right side located a speaker, while on the left side are the two USB-C ports, the headphone jack, and another speaker. The keyboard is white on the silver color, which really looks stunning, though they are not backlit anymore. The trackpad is a little bit smaller than usual. I really love how the keys are big now, even though the laptop here is much smaller in size. Let's remove now the screen cover. Well, the screen looks good so far, and it does have a smaller bezels comparing to the MacBook M1. So let me set up this MacBook now. So I've set it up, and so far for the first impression for the software and the performance here is it's all very good. It is responsive and fast, and you won't even tell that this chipset is using the iPhone 16 Pro chipset. And the experience is very almost like the M series laptop. I'm also loving the smaller bezels and its white keyboard, though the trackpad is a little bit weird. It feels hollow inside and not solid comparing to the previous M series MacBook trackpads. I also miss the fingerprint sensors for quick logins, but overall, the experience is really good. And definitely I'll be doing more testing, and I'll be using it as my main laptop for its full review. So, that is my MacBook Neo unboxing and first impressions. So would you consider this buying comparing to the cheap Windows laptop? I would love to know your thoughts and comment down below. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.